Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got a sponsored Temu unbagging for you. Now, I will leave in my description box the links to all these items if they are still in stock along with the prices. But I will go ahead, as I'm showing it to you, I will tell you what the price was at that time. Also, if you have not, and I don't know who in the world has not, but if you have not downloaded the app, there will be a link for that in my description box to where you get a $100 bundle coupon. And then also my link will be in the description box so that if you do use it, you can get, I think it's 30% off or an extra 30% off or something like that. So, just go check out my description box for all the info. So, I'm just going to pull something out and we're going to look at it. Now, y'all know, if you've been following me, you know I like to do miniature dollhouse kits. I also diamond paint. I do all kinds of crafts. And I also do reviews. So, check out my description box. You'll get all the deets for that. So this was $15.98 for this kit. And I honestly don't remember which one it was that I got. I think, you know what? I don't remember. So let's just look. And being zipped, everything's in Chinese. I can't tell which one it is. So, these kits have everything you need in them to do the whole kit. So, here's this bag. We have got these plates, and I'm looking, okay, this is the one that I purchased. Alright, so, I got the, it's not the name of it, Kitten Diary, I don't think, or maybe it is. But this is the house that I got. I loved it because of the porch swing. I just thought it was so cute. And then the gardening stuff. But this is your instruction book. And this will go from the very beginning. You have got your inventory. So it'll tell you everything that comes in your kit that should be in here. And then it'll go from the very first thing that you put together. It'll tell you step by step by step what to use, what bag it's in, how big, you know, to cut it here, there. It tells you everything. Everything you need to know is in this book. So, you have your instruction manual. You have got your template. Okay. Which also helps in cutting stuff because you just cut this out and this is your template. You would put that on the paper or the material and then you would just cut that size out. And then we also have these. Now this is what you cut out to fold and make boxes or books, you know, whatever they need you to do. This is like your wallpaper and your flooring. So you just cut this stuff out and this would be stuff that you would paste. So then you have got your side, your ceiling, your floor, and then this is a dust cover, which means that once you get this completely built, then you're going to put this together and glue it to where no dust can get inside it. It's going to make it like a big box. So it also comes with the tools that you're going to need. You might have to get some glue and some scissors. But other than that, this kit has a box cutter, some tweezers, and a ruler. And again, like I said, it comes with everything that you need to complete this kit. So, $15.98 for this, and it's this one right there. You can see that. Alright, so there's that. And let's see. Got a couple little things in here that I wanted to look at. Alright, so this is for $1.26. This is a glue spreader. Now, I have one of these, and they're wonderful. And if you do any kind of craft that you need to glue, this, you just put the glue down, and then you spread it with this. And it's just a solid piece of flimsy plastic. But it's so neat because the glue will dry onto here, and then you just pull it off. But this was $1.26. Alright, this was like a last, I had X amount of seating balance left, and I needed to find something. So for 59 cents, I got this. And what this is, which it looks like it's broke. Oh, no, nope, it's not. Okay, so I just put that back on there. So what this was a, what is this? It's a, what is the word I'm looking for? A charm. Duh. It's a little charm. But this part here goes in the bottom of your phone. This is a C charge, or a C type. Whoop. Okay. As soon as I started, I picked up my phone and started ringing, as y'all can see. So anyway, this is, I just went ahead and put the little clippy-do on there. So anyway, this is a butterfly charm. I thought it was cute. And you are supposed to stick these. Now this comes in the C type, or it also comes in whatever the USB type. So you just stick that in your phone, and it's supposed to keep dust and debris and stuff from getting in that little area. So I thought that was cute. So you just stick it in, you just pull it out. This is just a piece of plastic, if you can see. But for 59 cents, I thought it was cute. Alright, so I'm going to move these over here out of the way, because I have got a couple diamond paintings to show y'all also. Alright, so this one I gave $4.49 for. And you roll it backwards. Alright, so it comes with your standard toolkit, which is your green boat, your pink wax, and a single placer pink pen. Here's the drills. Alright, so here is the image. So it is Hello Kitty with jelly beans. I thought this was cute. And this is something I don't have in my collection. My stash is anything Hello Kitty. And I know that in the diamond painting community, they do have Hello Kitty diamond paint alongs. So when they have another one, then I have a canvas for it. So this has got 22 colors. They're round. The schematic is on the top right with a thumbnail. And it's also on the bottom left with a thumbnail. So it does have the DMC numbers charted. It does have what they call the dummy circles, or training wheels. on the canvas, which all that is a little circle around each symbol or number, letter, whatever. The only thing that they don't bother me except for in the white, because if you do not place your drill exactly, then in between the drills you're going to see just a little bit of black. So that's the only thing I don't like about the training wheels, is if they have it on white areas. So the drills, like I said, there's 22 colors. So we're just going to go through them real quick. There's some hitchhikers in there. The colors are gorgeous. Some big fat bags of pink, which is the background. Hope y'all can see this and my light's not too bad glaring. There's some more hitchhikers in that bag also. And then we have these. And then there's the white that goes on the Hello Kitty. Alright, so let me just do these back up real quick. Okay, so let me check the stick. I love the border around it, because usually it's just white. This has got like a border around it. Makes it look like a picture frame. But I do notice that the glue, it comes out pretty far. It's poured glue. It's not double-sided adhesive. It is poured glue, but it does come out pretty far. So, like I said, how much did I say that was? What did I do with that paper? $4.49 for this, which is not bad. So there's that one. And then all my Animal Crossing friends. Y'all, I just got a Switch. It was my Christmas gift to myself. No, actually, my husband got it for me, but I had to tell him which one, and I went and picked it out, and I got it out. And I've been playing it before Christmas, but anyway. This was $7.99. And what this is a hard case to put my Switch in. So, hold on. Let me go get my Switch. Okay, so here is my Switch. And this just goes down in here. This is to where you can put your memory cards, I guess, or your games. And then it has a zip compartment here to where you can put whatever extra games or whatever, wipes, whatever you want to put in there. Plus, when you put that down, that covers the screen and protects the screen. And then it also has these little things here to where you can put it in there and it won't fall out. And then you just zip it up, and then there you go. And it also has this right here to where you can put a strap on it or whatever, which I'm surprised they didn't come with one. But for $7.99, I thought this was excellent deal, because I have seen them on Amazon and they're a lot more than $7.99. So I thought that was pretty neat. So I really like that. Alright, so there's that. And then I have one more thing, which is a diamond painting. Now, this is a 30 by 40 also. And I gave $4.49 for it. It's also a round poured glue. Comes with your basic toolkit, your wax, which is underneath those baggies. Comes with a few baggies, your green boat, and a single placer pen. I'm not going to open these, but these are round drills, and you can see the color is really, really, really pretty. And it looks like they do have the DMC numbers charted on the bags. So that's pretty neat. So yeah, very pretty colors. So this is what I got. And as you can see, it is a Boston Terrier. It's 30 by 40. He's got 25 colors. They do have the DMC numbers also on the schematic. Have a schematic on the top left and bottom right. Both have a thumbnail. Plus there's a thumbnail at the top. Oh, look. That did come with the little strappy thing. That must have fell off or fell out. And I just did not see it. Well, cool. Now I can put this on my wrist or whatever. Okay, cool. So it did come with it. My bad. Alright, anyway. Very good stick. And he is just too cute. He's very clear. Very clear drill field. There's the thumbnail. And looks like we have numbers and letters. But I thought he was really cute. I've got one similar to this that is all rhinestone, but this is all just a round drill. So $4.49 for each of these. $4.99, $4.99. $1.26 for the glue spreader. 59 cents for this little phone charm. $15.98 for a miniature house, and $7.99 for a Animal Crossing Switch game case. So, hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave a link to everything, like I said, in my description box for y'all to check out if everything is in stock. And don't forget to check out my other YouTube channel. That will be in the link, or a link to that will also be in my description box, along with my Instagram, email. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what y'all thought about this little haul. So until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.